Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Hampton Bay Fire Pit is probably one of the most versatile and stylish additions you can make to your outdoor living space, offering a cozy ambience and a warm gathering spot for family and friends during cooler evenings. Imagine yourself surrounded by the gentle glow and comforting heat, creating lasting memories under the stars, all while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your patio or backyard with its elegant design and durable construction. This particular model stands out for its ease of assembly, user-friendly operation, and the overall value it provides, making it a top contender for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor entertainment experience without breaking the bank. Number 5. BALI Outdoors 28-inch Gas Fire Pit Table. Experience comforting warmth on chilly mornings and evenings. This fire pit table provides a robust 50,000 BTU heat output, ensuring you stay cozy. Measuring 28 inches square and 26 inches tall, its compact design fits seamlessly into your outdoor area without feeling overwhelming. It's the ideal size for any gathering. Get started in no time. Assembly is straightforward, mainly involving screwing parts together. The push-button ignition makes lighting it up quick and easy. This stylish table easily transforms. Use it as a dining, bar, or coffee table by simply placing the included lid on top when not in use for a fire. We stand by our product. If you encounter any issues, please reach out to us via email. You can expect excellent customer service within 24 hours. What we like. This gas fire pit table offers a robust 50,000 BTU heat output, perfect for keeping you warm on chilly evenings. Its unique design allows it to transform into a dining or coffee table with the included lid, offering great versatility. If you're looking for a functional piece that can adapt to different needs and is simple to set up, this is a fantastic choice for your patio. What people say. The fire pit is easy to assemble and looks great in the backyard. It produces a good amount of heat and is perfect for cool evenings. The durable construction ensures it will last for many seasons. Number 4. Legacy Heating 28-inch Square Gas Fire Pit Table. Introducing a versatile fire pit table that transforms from a cozy fire pit to a functional coffee table. It's the perfect blend of luxury, warmth, and practicality for any outdoor setting. Starting and adjusting the flame is a breeze with its simple push-and-turn knob and piezoelectric ignition. Enjoy easy operation and precise control over your fire. This ETL and CSA certified fire pit ensures safe usage. Crafted from high-quality steel with a stainless steel burner, it's built to last without cracking, rusting, or fading, and includes heat shields for added protection. Your purchase includes the 28-inch fire pit table, a burner lid, and lava rocks for a stunning volcanic look. With adjustable feet and clear instructions, assembly is quick and simple. Experience up to 50,000 BTU of heat, creating a comfortable and relaxing atmosphere. It provides ample warmth to keep you and your guests cozy during outdoor gatherings. Ideal for your backyard, garden, patio, or even camping trips. This fire pit table enhances any outdoor party or casual get-together with its inviting ambience. What we like. This fire pit table is a true two-in-one solution, serving as both a warming fire pit and a practical coffee table with its burner lid. It boasts ETL certification for safety and is constructed from high-quality steel for longevity. If you prioritize safety, durability, and a luxurious feel for your outdoor space, this fire pit table is an excellent option for your backyard. What people say. The fire pit is a great size for our patio. It was easy to assemble and looks very nice. We love the warmth it puts out on cool evenings. Number 3. Best Choice Products 28 inches Gas Fire Pit Table. Experience hours of outdoor enjoyment with fully adjustable, radiant heat. This powerful output is perfect for warming up your patio or sitting space. Easily conceal and change your propane tank with the attached magnetic side door. It offers a seamless and convenient solution for your heating needs. Crafted with high-quality, weather-resistant wicker over a sturdy steel frame, it's built to last. The included durable fabric cover ensures it withstands the elements. Remove the lid and use the built-in side hooks to cover the pit. This instantly adds more space, perfect for enjoying a light meal with family and friends. Ignite an inviting flame over a bed of glass beads that effectively trap and disperse heat. These beads also resist corrosion, ensuring longevity and beauty. This piece features a stylish ash gray finish that complements any outdoor decor. It's designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. What we like. This fire pit table features a convenient hideaway tank holder, keeping your propane tank concealed and your patio tidy. Its durable wicker construction adds a stylish touch, and it comes with clear glass rocks for an attractive flame display. If you appreciate a blend of aesthetics and practicality, and want to easily maintain a clean look for your outdoor entertaining area, this fire pit table is a great fit. What people say. The fire pit is easy to assemble and looks great in the backyard. It produces a good amount of heat and is perfect for cool evenings. The durable construction ensures it will last for many seasons. Number 2. BALI Outdoors 30-inch square propane fire pit table. Experience the modern elegance of this fire pit table. Its design, featuring glass stones and premium tiles, creates a captivating ambience with the warm glow of the fire. Enjoy optimal heat distribution with its powerful 50,000 BTU output. This ensures a comfortable and inviting fire, perfect for extending your time outdoors. Setting up is a breeze. With simple steps in the manual, you can quickly assemble it and spend more time enjoying the warmth with your loved ones. This piece serves as a stylish table for dining and entertaining. Easily transform it into a cozy fire feature by removing the cover, creating a relaxing atmosphere. Crafted from high-quality metal, it's designed to withstand the elements. Its durable and sturdy construction ensures lasting performance and appearance in your outdoor space. What we like. This 30-inch square fire pit table offers a modern aesthetic with its premium tile accents and glass stones, creating a captivating ambience. It delivers a strong 50,000 BTU flame for optimal heat distribution, perfect for extending your outdoor enjoyment. If you're seeking a stylish centerpiece that provides ample warmth and is straightforward to put together, this fire pit is ideal for your patio or backyard. What people say. The fire pit is easy to assemble and looks great in the backyard. It produces a good amount of heat and is perfect for cool evenings. The durable construction ensures it will last for many seasons. Number 1. Sunnydaze Round Steel Outdoor Fire Pit Bowl Replacement Insert. Give your backyard fire feature a new life without replacing the entire unit. This insert is designed to fit most existing stands or be used in your own custom build. Crafted from sturdy steel with a high-temperature black finish, this bowl is built to last. It's lightweight, making it easy to handle and clean. Use it as a direct drop-in replacement for a worn-out bowl, or get creative and build your own custom fire pit using bricks, blocks, or stone. This replacement bowl is perfect for DIY enthusiasts. It's compatible with most standard fire pit stands and rings, offering a versatile foundation for your outdoor project. Keep it looking great with minimal effort. Easy touch-ups with high-temperature paint can refresh the finish, and its lightweight design allows for simple water removal after rain. Before ordering, measure your existing stand or ring opening to ensure a perfect fit. This insert measures 23.25 inches on the outer rim and 21 inches on the inner diameter. What we like. This round steel fire bowl insert is designed for easy integration into existing fire pit stands or for your own DIY creations. Its lightweight steel construction makes it simple to handle and clean, offering a low-maintenance solution. If you're looking to refresh an old fire pit or build a custom one without the hassle of replacing the entire unit, this insert is a practical and versatile choice. What people say. The flame is adjustable and provides a good amount of heat. It was easy to assemble and looks great on our patio. The cover included is durable and keeps the pit protected from the elements. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.